Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your mic on Fortnite and also voice chat if it's not working. So first thing you want to try out is go to launch Fortnite, and on Fortnite you want to go on your profile icon and on settings. On settings you want to go to the audio option, and on audio option you want to make sure that main is set to 100 and also voice chat is set to 100. And then after that you want to click apply the changes. Now you also want to go ahead on communication option at the top here, the third option, and you want to make sure that voice chat is not turned off. It can be friends only, friends and teammates, or everybody. Then voice reporting, it can be left on the same. Now voice chat method would be open mic or push to talk. Just don't make sure it's not muted. Now you also want to go ahead and choose input device, which would be either default or, for example, your microphone. The output is also, you want to go ahead and choose the one you use. And that's pretty much it on this end. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to go ahead and close Fortnite. You want to go to your settings and check if there's any Windows updates. If there is, make sure to update and see if the problem persists or not. If the problem still persists, you want to open up Epic Games Launcher. And on Epic Games Launcher, you want to go ahead and verify the game files. So to verify the game files, you go to Library, then find Fortnite. For example, it's now running for me, so I cannot show you. But basically how it will look like, you're gonna click the three dots. There will be manage option and then verify files. So we want to go ahead and choose that. I cannot show you because both games are running for me now. And sometimes it helps. Now you want to go to your sound settings, sound mixer options. Now once you are on sound here, you want to go ahead and see if your volume is not muted, like mine, for example. And also on input device, this also shouldn't be muted. Now you also want to go to your volume mixer right there. And as you can see, there's Fortnite, and you just want to make sure that it is not muted. You can also go ahead and choose output and input device. So just choose your microphone, for example, and speakers, or just leave it on default if you only have those. And on this end, it would be that. Now, another thing you can try, go back here to sound and go to more sound settings. On more sound settings, you want to make sure that on playback, your speakers or headphones are turned on. So you want to go ahead and go to properties and just check the levels. Now, after that, you want to go to recording and do the same on your microphone. Check if the levels are on and everything is working and everything is enabled. And the last thing you can try is update your drivers. So for example, I use NVIDIA app for this. If you're using AMD, you're going to open AMD. And here on drivers, you're going to see that there is a game ready driver. If there's any, you want to go ahead and download it. And that's pretty much it, guys. It should fix your Fortnite problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.